In our Crown Royal series, we give our customers two options when it comes to bar equipment on how they have it delivered. They can either get it on traditional legs or what we call modular bar die, which you see right behind me.
Some people refer to it as a smart wall system, some just as a bar die, but essentially it's the wall that your equipment comes pre-attached to. So within this wall, there's cutouts. Those allow you to run your utility lines, your plumbing, all of that right through the back of the wall, rather than a mill worker building a bar wall and then attaching the equipment in the field. This comes from the factory, prefabricated, attached to the wall, and it saves a huge amount of time. The advantage from the bartender perspective is you have a seamless fit and finish. The stainless goes right to the floor. You can seal it with silicone. It prevents water from going into the bar die, hides all of your drain and plumbing lines, and eliminates the need and use for legs. So it looks a lot cleaner, it's more efficient. Bartenders like it because it's a lot easier to maintain, and as you can see, has a nicer look to it, so a better aesthetic look. And this has become very, very popular for us, and it allows for a very easy and simple installation.